What is transport? A trip to the moon? To remote islands? To the city? Man has developed transport to move people and things from place to place faster and more efficiently. It's always around us. We hear it, see it, perceive how it affects us. Do we really need all those cars, trucks, trains, airplanes, bikes? And which means of transport should be given priority? Is transport still effective? Who is to say? The driver? Cyclist? Train driver? A number of transport experts work in the Transport Research Center. They know that this is a complex and interconnected system that must be sustainable for the future. We can only plan transport from the drawing table when starting from scratch. Everywhere else, we need to reassess the use of existing urban space or landscape, assess existing transport infrastructure, the pros and cons of each solution. We use our own laboratories and a number of diagnostic instruments for measuring. With their help, we assess traffic structures, their functionality and safety, as well as the impact of traffic on the environment and on humans. The basic prerequisite for good road repair or reconstruction design is to determine the extent and severity of road defects and distresses. New solutions may include measures for controlling air and noise pollution. Why is the accident rate high at the site? We will identify and document the site, analyze the risk factors, including people, vehicles, and traffic structures themselves. We will find the causes, propose traffic safety measures, and hand them over to road administrators for treatment. What's the result? Transport for the future. Safe, functional, smart, friendly to people and the environment. However, we can only plan it on the basis of expert groundwork. What are the current conditions, and what may be expected in the future? How will demography develop, and what are the views of local residents and city experts? The result is a strategic document that will impact our lives for 30 years to come. Promoting sustainable transport development is an important goal of our work. Transport Research Center. Transport for the future.